show me what you got. I can see the future with my head up high, like a flame on my fire and I multiply. So my name, make it rain, it's a verify. Serve pain and champagne with that humble pie. No excuses, just prove it. Throw it all down and let's do this. No excuses, just prove it. Throw it all down.
Hey guys, so I'm here at Daiso and I did find some cool slimes, so I do want to review these and see if they are good or not. So I'm gonna keep looking around and see what I can find.
It's gonna be a show. Don't act like you don't know. 'Cause I'm hungry for the fame and the throne. Ready, set, let's go.
So I'm now here in the art section. They have a lot of cool stuff. I haven't been in a Daiso in such a long time. I have lots of cool notebooks.
Price and late nights innovations made. This is what a champion is. They live the game. No excuses, just prove it. Throw it all down and let's do this. No excuses, just prove it.
So I'm here at the toy section. They don't really have much slime, and this is like the jiggly type of slime. I think this is the only type of slime that is actually like putty like slime. But other than that, they also have this, the gooey, toxic one. They have Flarp. That's pretty much it. What is this? Grow? No. They have a lot of cute Disney stuff. They have some cute bottles. Cute little toppers. Wow, this is also cute. What is this? Ice tray. I'm taking some of these boxes because I want them. They're $1.50. These are cool bags too. I don't know. You guys, they have a lot of cute packaging here. Look at these. I'm just gonna take one of each. Wasting my money, but it's okay. Like cute little boxes. Look at these. Oh my god. Taking one of each. Alright, so I'm back from Daiso. And I found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 putties. Well, I'm calling them putties because I doubt they're gonna be slimes. But I found 5. I found a green one, a pink one, this like metallic color one, another metallic, and a yellow one. There was, I think, 5 different colors. Not sure. But I got these. So let's review them. I hope they're better than the Play-Doh ones actually. So the packaging, it's normal. It's like the Wish slimes, nothing new. But they were $1.50, not that bad. Cheaper than Play-Doh slimes, that's for sure. Mysterious Goop. So it says Mysterious Goop. I don't know if that's what that says. Leave that in the comments below if you know what that says. Was it open? I can already tell this is gonna be better than the Play-Doh. You guys see that? So the slime itself is not bad. It's not slime, but it's not the Play-Doh slime, you know what I mean? It's more of a putty-like, but it's still stretchy. Not that much, but it still stretches. This does give off some pokey slime. Some poke slap. What am I saying? Poke sounds. That's what I'm trying to say. Not so like the next one I'm gonna open is the metallic mysterious gloop. Wow, this one is actually really good. So this is actually a really good slime. I like the color. It's like a copper orange. No bubble pops, but that's okay. It's still better than Play-Doh. Give it a 5 out of 5. And I'll give a 3 stars out of 5 stars. So this next one is the pink one. So let's open this bitch up. Wow, look at that clearness. So this is exactly the same as the yellow one. So I won't play with it that much. So yeah, it's exactly the same. So 3 stars. So this one is a pastel one. Let's open it. Whoa. Look at that. It's sparkly. Can you see that? I don't know. Can you see that? Let me see. Look at that. Wow. Oh, this one has the same texture as the metallic one. Already a 5 out of 5. The color is super nice. Wow. 5 out of 5. I love this one. Leaves no residue. But wait, this has a weird texture. No bubble pops, but that's okay. 5 out of 5. Okay, so here's the last one. I'm pretty sure this one's gonna be like the other metallic ones because this one is metallic gold. So I'm pretty sure it's gonna have the same texture. Yes, and I can already see it. It's like honey. We love that. For $1.50, not bad. Look at that. You can't swirl them, that's the only problem. But other than that, I feel like these slimes are really good for your money. They're $1.50. They probably sell more slimes, but I didn't really look that much. But yeah, in total, I think I give these slimes a 4 out of 5. The only problem is with these clear slimes, they're too, like, thick that you can't stretch them, you know what I mean? But yeah, they're approved. Adios. Que les vaya bien.